Get excited about the 2019 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback still has less than 25,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.